Hi, welcome to week 13 of Human Development, Educational Psychology. I hope that you had an opportunity last week to watch the last few videos posted from your classmates. They gave you good information about managing a class and making sure to include equity in your classroom, in addition to reading Chapter 9. So we've got just a couple of weeks left in the course, so please be sure to stay on top of all of the tasks. So this week you'll be finishing up the book, reading Chapter 10, and then participating in a discussion. It's your final discussion. So you can go to the Week 13 tab. Be sure that you watch the different lectures. There are some specific things that you'll need to know about in order to complete the activity or the discussion for the week. So make sure that you've watched the lectures and read the book so that you're prepared for the discussion. The discussion should be an easy 100 points, but you need to be sure that you're including information from the textbook. So if you haven't read it or watched the lectures, then you won't be able to do that. So here's the instructions. Basically, you're going to be reading this scenario, and then from the book it mentions the RSVP characteristics of good assessment. So based on those characteristics, you're going to be evaluating the situation and discussing what you think might be the issue and why. And then this is the rubric that I'll be using to assess it. And then be sure that you post by Thursday, and by Sunday you reply to 2 of your peers. So I just also wanted to talk a little bit ahead. I know some of you are eager to get finished with the semester or trying to work on things so that you can focus on other courses. So next week you will be taking your final exam and completing your learning strategies portfolio. So that's something that you can go ahead and work ahead on. Just be sure that you review the feedback that I posted on your rough draft, and that you have read through the rubric really well before submitting that or working, in a lot of detail on it. And then the final week, week 15, which is technically finals week, is some training modules. So feel free to work on those. Something that can be done independently. You complete them, you get a certificate, and then you just upload your certificate. So we only have a couple of things left, but feel free to work ahead. Just be sure that you're reading through the rubrics and everything before submitting. So if you have questions, please let me know. Post in the discussion board. Thank you.